Hey everybody, welcome to Life of Sunny Lee. And it has been another week that we've been on the go, running here and there and everywhere. Seems like it's been hard to get anything done around the house because of that. Sunday was our oldest son's birthday, so he was down, and we had his favorite food. I fixed it for his dinner and had a cake and just had the usual birthday things. And
the flame is hot over there.
yay!
Success.
Alright.
Alright.
We're here with my cake.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Sean. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Yes. All right.
Ow.
All
Lay
right.
up my cake.
You gotta blow out the candles first.
Make a wish. Alright. Yay. And then we drove him back to his house. So that was a road trip. And then we went to the gym 3 times this week. And then on Tuesday, my husband had his checkup, his regular annual checkup, so we had to go to town for that. And I made more satin balls for shoes, and I started taking down the Halloween decorations and putting up the fall decorations. And that's taken me all week to get done because I could only do it between running around. Wednesday we were back at the gym, and I cleaned out the goldfish pond here. As you can see, the water's crystal clear, and this little pump for the waterfall had stopped, so I took it out, cleaned it, got it started again. And of course the water gets all yucky during that time. It takes a while for it to clean up again. And then Saturday, the pump went out again. So I've got a new pump that I'm getting ready to put in this next week. So I'll put a new pump in there, and it'll soon be time to take that one that's bubbling, to take it out for the winter, because it is attached to this filter that's underneath this box with insulation over it, because it cannot freeze. So I'm putting the insulation over it for right now, trying to keep it going as long as possible before I have to take it in for the year. So I got that taken care of, at least for that week. And then we made a trip down to Jeffersonville for some business that my husband had to do. We usually do it at Greenwood, but the Greenwood place requires an appointment only. So we went down to Jeffersonville. And that actually turned out to be a better decision, I think. So we did that. We ate at Outback down there. And then on Friday I thought I was going to have some time to do things. So I started out in the garden. I started weeding the carrot bed, the winter carrots, not the summer ones. Summer ones I still have to hoe. They're in the buckets. But the winter ones are in the outside raised bed. And I was surprised to see that my okra, which I thought was dead, and my zucchinis are both greening up and blooming. So I don't know what's going on with this weather. I've never had okra last this long outside. It's in the greenhouse, yes, but outside, no. So then we got word that our door, our replacement door for the patio that had shattered, we got word that it had come in. So we went up to Columbus to pick it up. And of course that's an all-day job, going up there, picking it up, bringing it back home, taking it, out. So, So we get all that done. And then on Saturday he was going to put the door up. And luckily he had not taken the other door down yet. He was just unwrapped the first door, the new door, and it's the wrong door. They had sent us the wrong door. Which meant we were on the phone with the company trying to find out what to do next. So we had to load that, wrap that back up in the packaging, load it back up in the truck, take it back to Columbus, and now we're at the waiting game again as to when we're going to get the door, replacement door. Because they have to contact the rep again to see what they want to do, and then order the new door, and then wait again for it to come. So we've been on the road a lot this week. So there's really not that much that I can show you. But I will show you my decorations. Okay, now I don't know if you can see it. Let me move the broom. That is my Thanksgiving plaque that I made a few years ago. It just says give thanks and gobble gobble gobble. It's at the front door. The wreath that my mom made a long time ago. I left the fall flowers where they were. Let's go inside and I'll show you what I've done there. The witch stays out all year long, but her pumpkins are now full of leaves. There's not many left. These leaves. Now, I have these leaves for a purpose. When we have guests come in, I ask them to write something they're thankful for, and then they place it and put the date, and then they place it on our Thanksgiving tree. And this is things that we are thankful for. And it's what I do every year. I just keep adding leaves to it with things that we're thankful for. Of course, the pillows and the orange and green, not orange and green, but orange and brown pillows, some green, are out. And that's all the decorations we're putting in here, because shoes is really having a lot of trouble moving around. So I'm trying to keep as much of the area clear as possible. Have a lot of pee pads down, a lot of rugs down that I can wash to try to keep the carpet as clean as possible, so I don't have to shampoo it as much in the wintertime. I can spot clean it. So there's not many decorations in this room this year. So, and most of my decorations are in the dining room. In fact, all the decorations almost are in the dining room. So, dining room table is decorated. And that is going to be it for the decorations for Thanksgiving this year. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's kind of short. And hopefully you had a good week. Hopefully this week it'll be a blessed week for you and that everything goes well for you. And remember to like, share, subscribe, and dream big. Follow that dream. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye everybody. God bless.